Let me be honest with you. If I woke up tomorrow and my career was gone, my skills outdated, and my experience irrelevant, and AI had taken everything I'd built, here's exactly what I would do. Not what some career coach would tell you, not what a university would recommend. Someone who studies AI in the job market every single day, would actually do, starting from zero. Because the truth is, millions of people are going to find themselves in that exact position in the next 2 to 3 years. And most of them will have no roadmap. This is that roadmap. Stay until the end, because the last step is the most important. If I woke up tomorrow and my career was gone, I wouldn't panic. But I also wouldn't waste a single day following outdated advice. Because the biggest lie people are still being told in 2025 is this: go get a degree, get experience, climb the ladder. That model worked in a world where change was slow. But AI has broken that system. Today, you can spend 4 years getting a degree, and by the time you graduate, half of what you learned is already automated. Old career advice is not just outdated, it's dangerous. The biggest career mistake you can make right now is doing nothing and hoping AI passes. Phase 1, the skill audit. This is where almost everyone fails. I would take 2 hours and write down every single task I do. Then I would go to AI and ask a simple question. Can AI do this? I would sort every task into 3 buckets. Bucket 1, AI can fully do this. Bucket 2, AI can partially do this. Bucket 3, only a human can do this. Because the future doesn't belong to people who do the work. It belongs to people who manage the systems doing the work. Phase 2, learn one AI tool. Now, this is where most people go wrong. They try to learn everything and master nothing. I would do the opposite. I would pick one AI tool, the most relevant to my industry, and go all in. Spend 30 minutes a day, every day, for 30 days. You don't need to become an AI engineer. You need to become the smartest user. Phase 3, build one proof project. This is the step that changes everything. I wouldn't chase certificates. I would build something real. For example, I automated our monthly report from 8 hours to 20 minutes using AI. That one sentence is more powerful than any degree. Phase 4, reposition your identity. Perception changes everything. I would go to my LinkedIn and change just a few words. You're not competing with AI. You are the person who controls it. That person cannot be fired. If you're scared about your job, that fear is valid. Fear without a plan is just anxiety. Now you have the plan. If you want the next step, subscribe. Because the people who act now will look like geniuses in 2 years.